Hey you guys, Blaze here from Blazing Reviews. Today I'm going to show you how to get the very best surround sound out of your PlayStation 5 connected to your Sony HT-A9. So when you load up your PlayStation and get on the menu, you want to go over to the settings, scroll down to sound, click on audio output, and you want to make sure your output device is selected as the HDMI device or AV amplifier. Then you're going to scroll down to HDMI device type, make sure it's an AV amplifier. Scroll down all the way to the bottom, make sure the number of channels is 7.1 channels. Then you're going to scroll down even further to audio format priority, and you want to make sure it's set on linear PCM. This will give you the 7.1 surround sound. Unfortunately, in games, the Sony PlayStation 5 does not use Dolby Atmos. They're using their own 3D surround sound technology. And when you select linear PCM, that's going to give you 7.1 surround sound with their 3D technology, plus the A9 spatial audio mapping. So you're going to get an amazing surround sound experience when you're playing your games. It sounds really great. Now, if you have everything set up correctly, you can press the button on your remote that shows the audio output, and it says LPCM 7.1 channel 360 spatial sound mapping. So there you go. That's all you have to do to get the very best surround sound from your PlayStation 5 using the Sony HT-A9.
Control of objective Baker. We have charge of objective Fox. Watch where you move.